Bucks on three. 1, 2, 3, Bucks.
Kick return by number 5, DJ Estes.
Change the narrative right there. Let's go!
Defensively, I thought from the very beginning of the game, they brought it, all week. And again, offensive line, I thought they stepped up and played their best game of the year. Around that, we've just got to be better. I think you go back to last week and you find out where all the distractions were, and you get those out this week. Homecoming's a tough week, a lot of things going on, but it's done now, and we get to come back next week and do it again.